Logical bit and list operation. Logical operator. Logical operators are used to perform logical operation on the values of variables. The value is either true or false. We can figure out the condition by the result of truth values. There are mainly three types of logical operators in Python: logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Truth tables. Argument A, argument B, and A and B. False and false equals false. False and true equals false. True and false equals false. True and true equals true. This is AND operator. If 9 less than equals 10 and 5 less than equals 6, print true, else print false. 9 less than equals 10 is true and 5 less than equals 10 is true. In the truth table, true and true equals true. And if we change the 5 to 9, the 9 less than is equal to 6 is false. So true and false is equals to false. OR operator, false or false equals false. False or true equals true. True or false equals true. True or true equals true. In OR operator, kanina ito example na to, false siya sa AND operator. Pero pag pinalitan natin siya ng OR, magiging true siya because if it has one true, then the answer will be true. In NOT operator, we can see that it's just the opposite of the value. In this OR operation, you can see that the answer is false. But if you put NOT in it, the answer will become true. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform bitwise calculation on the integers. The integers are converted into binary format and then operations are performed bit by bit. Hence the name bitwise operators. Python bitwise operators work on integers only, and the final output is returned in the decimal format. Python bitwise operators are also called binary operators. Bitwise operator. Bitwise AND operator returns 1 if both the bits are 1, otherwise 0. Bitwise OR operator returns 1 if any of the bits is 1. If both the bits are 0, then it returns to 0. Bitwise exclusive OR operators returns 1 if one of the bits is 0 and the other bit is 1. If both the bits are 0 or 1, then it returns to 0. In this example, x is equals to 6 and y is equal to 12. If we use AND operator, both of these needs to be 1. So 0 and 0 is equals to 0. 1 and 0 is equals to 0 because it needs to be both 1. 1 is 1 is equal to 1. And 0 and 1 is equals to 0. This binary is represent as 4. So let's see the answer. The answer become 4. If we put OR operator, one of these only needs to be 1. So 0 and 0 is equals to 1. 1 and 0 is equals to 1. And 1 is 1, also 1. And 0 and 1 is equals to 1. This binary represents 14. So let's see the answer. it answer 14. In exclusive OR, only one of these needs to be 0, but if it both 1, then it represents 0. So 0 and 0 is 0, 1 is 0 is 1, then 1 is 1 is 0, 0 and 1 is 1. These binaries represent 10, so let's see the answer. Answer is 10. That's the example of bitwise operation. Python list method are built-in method in list used to perform operations on Python list array. Method: append, adds an element at the end of the list. Count, returns the number of element with a specified value. Index, returns the index of the first element with a specified value. Insert, adds an element at the specified position. Removes the first item with a specified value. Sort. Here I have meron akong list of color na example dito. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and orange. Pag gusto mong mag-add ng color sa list, pwede kang gumamit ng append. Tapos yung color na gusto mong i-add. Pero pag gumagamit ka ng append, lahat ng color na i-add mo mapupunta lang sa dulo. Pag gusto mo namang sa iba siya pumunta, kunyari sa number 1 siya pupunta, pwede kang gumamit ng insert. Tapos kung saan mo siya gustong papuntahin, kunyari sa number 1 ko siya gustong papuntahin, ayan, nasa number 1 na siya. This red is considered 0, kaya nandun siya sa pangalawa. Pag gusto mo namang isort yung list, nalagay ka lang ng sort. Nakasort siya as alphabetical. Pag gusto mo namang mag-remove, tapos yung color na gusto mong i-remove, kung example, yellow, yan, wala na siyang yellow. Pag gusto mo namang i-count yung color, lalagay mo dito, color count. Tapos yung color na gusto mong i-count, orange. Yan. May 2 orange sa list. And that's the chapter 5 of CC03. Thank you.